Okay, so this is a small town in Spain. It's called San Pedro. And once a year they have a ritual there. The townspeople come together to participate in this ritual where they walk across these hot coals. And normally they'll carry someone, a loved one, on their back. So whether it be a spouse or a grandchild, they participate in this ritual of walking across the coals. Now, one thing that happens when they do this is that they've done research on both the participants and the observers. And what happens is they actually start to sync up. So their heartbeats of those that are participating and the heartbeats of those that are observing, they've noticed, start to beat in time. Emil Durkheim, who conducted this research, he called it a collective effervescence. That's a sort of an interesting phenomenon that happens when we have ceremonies or rituals. And so the last one is that it creates a new shared reality. Now, obviously, a wedding ceremony is one of those rituals where the bride and groom come in as single people, and they leave as a married couple. So unity ceremonies. Now, there are tons of them. Today we're just going to look at 3 of them.
Oh, hello. No, I was just sitting here with shivers up my spine.
Good.
Thinking about that last,
Good.
that
if
last
you get
one.
shivers,
thinking, no, I might have to have a go at that. I've just
it just needs to connect to the couple or the ceremony that it is, and you just make it all work. There is no set rules for you have to do this at this particular time. It's just how it all rolls out. And if you got shivers, then the explanation or the whole moment you felt, and that's what you want the guests to feel. You want them to get that shiver. You want them to get that emotional tug, that emotional connection with what's happening.